Hello students, so here I come with the third part of the series of multiple choice question from chapter Circulatory System prescribed for ICSE Board Class 10. So let's begin from question number 21. Which of the following is not a function of blood? Transport of nutrients, regulation of body temperature, distribution of hormones, sensory perception. Correct answer is sensory perception. Next, which type of white blood cells are responsible for producing antibodies? Options: basophils, eosinophils, lymphocytes, monocytes. Option C, lymphocytes. How does blood help regulate body temperature? By carrying heat away from the body's core to the skin surface. Option B, by carrying heat from the skin surface to the body's core. Or C, by producing sweat to cool the body down. Or D, by shivering to generate heat. Read the question carefully. How does blood help to regulate? The correct answer is option A. Which of the following components is the most abundant in blood? You all know that blood is formed of three components: red blood cells, white blood cells, and plasma. So out of these, which one is the most abundant? Option D, plasma. Which type of plasma protein is responsible for blood clotting? Don't get confused in this question. Read the question carefully. I'm not just asking which component is responsible for blood clotting. I'm asking which plasma protein. This plasma protein, along with platelets, work together and help in blood clotting. So, which one is it? Albumin, fibrinogen, globulin, or hemoglobin? Answer is fibrinogen. Which of the following is not a type of white blood cell? Neutrophil, lymphocyte, erythrocyte, or monocyte? Option C, erythrocyte. Erythro means red. This is red blood cell. What is the shape of red blood cell? Round, squared, oval, or disc shaped? Option D, disc shaped. It provides more surface area for better absorption of the oxygen. In which structure are red blood cells produced in an embryo? Not in an adult. I am asking embryo. Liver, spleen, kidney, bone marrow. The answer is liver. What is the name of the condition where there is an abnormality in the structure of hemoglobin? Hemochromatosis, sickle cell anemia, thalassemia, or anemia? Option is sickle cell anemia. Anemia is deficiency of hemoglobin, whereas sickle cell anemia is abnormality in the structure of hemoglobin. Last question. What is the process called where hemoglobin binds with oxygen? Is it oxidation, reduction, or oxyhaemoglobin dissociation, or hemoglobin saturation? The correct answer is oxyhaemoglobin. So thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.